In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge GitHub accounts. This can be a really useful process if you found yourself managing multiple GitHub accounts and you're looking to streamline your projects and repositories under a single account for easier management. Whether it's consolidating your work or ensuring that all your important projects are housed under one profile, the process we're about to dive into can help make your life a bit simpler. First things first, let's get started by navigating to GitHub. You can do this by simply entering GitHub's URL into your web browser. Once you're on GitHub's homepage, you'll want to log into the account that contains the repositories you wish to transfer. This means right at the outset, you should decide which of your GitHub accounts will be the primary one moving forward. To log in, locate the Sign In button on the homepage. It's typically found in the top right corner. Clicking on this will bring you to the Sign In page where you're prompted to enter your username or email address associated with the account, followed by your password. These are the keys to your digital kingdom, so make sure you enter them correctly. Once you've filled in your credentials, hit the Sign In button to access your GitHub dashboard. Now that you're logged into your account, it's time to head to the GitHub dashboard. This area is essentially your control center, where you can navigate to all the repositories you own or contribute to. Look for a repository that you want to move to another account. This decision should align with your goals for merging your accounts. Perhaps it's a repository for a personal project that you now want to include under a professional account. Once you've selected a repository to transfer, go into the settings of this repository. Here you'll find a variety of options to manage your repository, but for today's purpose, we're interested in the bottom section ominously titled Danger Zone. Despite its daunting name, this is where you'll find the option to transfer the repository. In the Danger Zone, click on the Transfer button. This action initiates the process but requires important details to complete. You'll need to enter the exact name of the repository you're transferring as a confirmation of your intentions, then specify the username of the target account, that is, the account you wish to transfer this repository to. This step is critical and requires careful attention to detail. GitHub uses these confirmations to ensure that the transfer is not only intentional, but also directed to the correct account. Any mistake in typing the repository name or target username can lead to complications, so double check everything. And just like that, you've initiated the transfer of a repository from one account to another. It's worth noting that the target account will receive a request to accept the repository transfer. You'll need to log into that account and approve the transfer to complete the process. A few parting tips to ensure a smooth transition. Consider updating any local clones of the repositories you're transferring. After the transfer, the repository URL will change to reflect the new username. Also, think about any integrations or services linked to your repositories. You might need to update settings there as well to reflect the new repository paths. Transferring repositories is a powerful feature that GitHub offers, allowing you to better organize your work under a single account. While it's an excellent way to consolidate your coding projects, remember that it should be done thoughtfully to avoid any disruption to your workflow or access issues. And there you have it, a straightforward way to merge GitHub accounts by transferring repositories from one account to another. Remember, organizing your digital workspaces is just as important as organizing your physical ones. With your GitHub accounts now merged according to your preference, you can look forward to a more streamlined code management experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.